Premiere Pro How to Export Audio Tutorial. First, drag the video or the audio file that you want to export onto the timeline. Next, click I or Control I to add an in point. Go to the end of the clip and click O or Control O to add an out point. Next, click Control plus M, and this will open up the export settings. Now, under the formats, click the drop-down arrow, and you will see here that you have a list of different options. Click MP3, and then under presets, we have 128 kps. This is low quality. So click the drop-down arrow, and click the third option, which is 256 kbs, high quality. Under output name, save this where you want to save. Under your desktop, then click save, and then click export. A bonus tip is that if you have an MP4 video file that you want to save as audio, then drag that onto the timeline, keep existing settings, go to the end clip, and do the same thing. Click O or Control O to add an out point, and then Control plus M. And then under export settings, make sure the format is still MP3, preset MP3, 256, high quality. Save your video file, and then export. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, check out more by subscribing to the channel and check out the playlist.